Hi, I'm Megan from Optisize Customer Success Team. Today I will show you a Pro Plus subscription feature that will help you improve your playlist control quality. Let's imagine that you are having a global playlist with diverse access for different locations. With this feature, it will ensure that only relevant access appear on the screen, making management easier. So let's get started. First, navigate to the Files and Access section. Here, you can see all of your assets and you will need to assign tag to it. I have created tag called holiday, designer, and weather. We already have a video showing you how to tag in your files and access. You can check it out for more detailed information on this step. After finishing this step, we will head to the playlist section. Here, you can create a playlist to display on the screen. I already create a new one and add all the access that I need into the playlist. Then click on the option setting and advanced setting. You can see here at the target tag section, you will need to choose Use Playlist Default. This setting is very important and don't forget to click Save. Return to the screen section and choose the screen that you are going to use. Choose type of contents is playlist and select your desired playlist. In the advanced setting, scroll down, you can see the content tag rule, which means that you will set a rule for the screen to follow. I already create one, so I give it a name called demo tag. You can see here it will have two parts. In the inclusion section, you will set the tag condition that assets within your playlist must have if it want to display, and on the other hand, in the exclusion section, which will allow you to skip the assets with specific tags. On the right side, we have two additional options, rules and rule sets. So with the rule option, you can add more boxes to organize your tags more effectively. For example, in the first box, I will add designer tag and holiday tag. And in the second box, I will add weather tag and calendar tag, which are more like apps and integration. Please note that all boxes will follow the original common setting is N or R. You can always delete the box by click on the minus option. With the rule set option, you can create more rules for your screen to follow, which is useful if you have nested playlists. You can check out our video on how to use and create nested playlists for more detailed information. This option will let you change the rule set of the new box without following the original one. We can see here in both settings, we will have N option and R option. With the N option, you can add multiple tags and assets within the playlist. We need to have all specified tags to display on the screen. For example, I will choose designer tag and holiday tags, which mean my assets will need to have both of these tags if it want to appear on the screen. With the OR option, the assets will play if they have at least one of these tags. It doesn't require to have both. And after finishing the inclusion section, I will move to exclusion section. So I don't want to display the weather assets, so I will choose to skip the weather tag. And don't forget to click save. And that's it. All assets matching the screen rule that I just said will be displayed on the screen and others will be skipped. If you have any question or feedback about this feature, please reach out to our support team at support@opdesign.com or hit the little green button at the bottom right of our portal. Thank you for watching.